What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price is doing Bitcoin price things. Yes, we have seen a push to the upside, a rejection, a further push towards the upside last night, reaching all the way up here to my price target of around $79,000, a little smidge below $80,000. Now we are seeing a retracement exactly like we did right here. And what is going to be happening next? Well, I'm going to be telling you exactly what's going to be happening. I'm going to be updating you on my trade, which is in a huge loss. I'm going to be fully transparent and sharing it with you and sharing my exact plan, how I plan to turn it around. So if you are under the water on a trade as well, stay tuned for this video because it's going to be definitely helpful, a little bit specific, but definitely going to be helpful for you. And I really do think the Bitcoin price is shaping up to do something absolutely beautiful. So as always, guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. It truly does mean the world to give back to you. Every single Monday, I'm doing a giveaway of $100. All you need to do is comment on all the videos I post throughout the week. I'll choose a random video and then choose a winner. Drop your comments down below. It would really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it. And like the video if you did get some nice, useful information and you did enjoy the content. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack. And if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. So let's get into the video because right now it's very, very interesting. First of all, we can see that the Bitcoin price did break up to this level of resistance right here. And again, previously, this level of resistance was exactly here at February, around the 2nd or the start of February, just a couple of months ago. However, there are a few key things I want to talk about. Let's move over to the 3-day chart and let's take a look at these EMA ribbons, because I was having my morning coffee this morning, taking a look at the chart, taking a look at these EMA ribbons, and exactly what I see is pretty alarming because we can see we've pretty much reached all the way to most of these EMA ribbons. And what does that mean? Well, exactly like here, when we did the same thing, what happened? It followed by a massive dump. Again, I'm not saying that the Bitcoin price is just going to crash. The second you watch this video and you go off it, the Bitcoin price is going to crash. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that be cautious because previously when this happened, not so long ago, just in January of this year, we did see a dump towards the downside. And again, right here as well, we could be seeing a dump towards the downside. Another few warning signs are, guys, if we go ahead and take a look at the 4-hourly chart again, and we remove these ribbons right now, and we take a look, in my opinion, Bitcoin is forming some kind of a rising wedge right here. We can see it may not be the most perfect rising wedge, and please correct me in the comments if you know more about rising wedges. If you're a rising wedge expert, please definitely let me know. But this could look like some form of a rising wedge. Yes, a little bit of a strange rising wedge. However, some things in life which are strange, they are nice. And what happens with a rising wedge? Well, we do in fact see a break towards the downside. And if we take a look at this measured move, change this to a line, we take a look at the measured move from the potential breakdown point, it would see a target of approximately 66,000 US dollars. And again, that would be a drop, just a guess, around 10%. Yeah, 13%, a drop of 13%. And as I told you in yesterday's video over on Ubid, where I'm trading right now, again, I'm under the water in the trade, like huge, $4,000. However, last night I did actually buy right here, or not last night. Yeah, it was last night. 8 p.m. last night, I did actually buy right here. Like I said, I did. I have orders, another limit order right there, just above 80K as well. I did, in fact, buy right here on this candlestick. I don't know the exact price. It was 79K, a smidge above $79,000. And again, now this trade right now is a $359,000 or $360,000 trade that I've got open right here on Ubit. And they're actually having a deposit bonus as well. If you deposit $100, leave it in there for one day, you're going to get a $100 bonus to play with and trade with. And honestly, right now, it's a great time to be trading because if we take a look at the weekly chart, guys, if we take a look at this weekly chart, you cannot tell me that this weekly chart looks bullish. Guys, if you've been following my channel, you know I want my Bitcoin bags to pump. You know I want all of your altcoins to pump. If you have an altcoin which is down, I wish you could just email me and say, hey, Jack, I'm underwater with this altcoin. Can you just pump it up a bit? I would love to do that and make everyone a load of money. It would be amazing. However, I cannot. It's not possible. So all I can do is look at the charts and tell you exactly what I am doing and seeing. And it looks bearish, guys. Come on. It looks crazy bearish. Look at this. It looks so bearish. We have a top right there, a top right there, even a triple top maybe, and a rejection to the downside. It looks so bearish. And when I'm looking at these charts right here, I want to be in short positions. It hurts me. It's painful. I don't like to short Bitcoin. However, when I see these charts, it really just makes me want to short it, because it could be a long winter. It could be a long crypto winter. And if you've been in a bear market before, I've been in two before. This is my third. I know exactly how it is, because even as a KOL, a YouTuber, it's difficult. You may think that we have like so much money. And of course, maybe compared to an average salary, yes, there is more. However, it's very difficult in a bear market when you have the same amount of bills and your income is not fixed. Of course, it can be difficult. So I want to make money in this bear market, and I want to make it potentially by shorting. So I really think that seeing the chart right here, knowing that we're in a bear market, and yes, you could say, hey, Jack, you could just short from here. Amazing. Thanks for the advice. I am opening this position right here. Again, I added around $120,000 to the short last night, and I think it could potentially be a great option. Again, if you want to trade on Ubit, there is a link down below. Deposit $100, or you can deposit more as well, and you get $100 in just one day after leaving it in your account. So it's a great exchange, easy to use. That's my plan of action. And again, I think it's going to be really good when the price does in fact come down. Also, I do have bots as well. If you did want to copy my exact bots and earn while you sleep, there is a link down below, copymybots.io. If you're not interested, just close your ears right now. No problem. It's no problem for me. You can sign up right here to Pinex, join Pinex, claim your deposit bonus of up to $1,000, and then go ahead and click here, choose your bots. Bitcoin, Ethereum, as I said previously, they are doing the best for me right now. I've also got oil, gold, silver, and other things right there. This website doesn't manage any of your money. It's just an interface so you can understand how the bots work, see the feedback, the results, and you can go ahead and easily copy them. You can see right here over on Pinex is where the bots are. We can see Bitcoin bot right there is around 20% in profit in just about, how long did I open this for now? Yeah, literally a month. So it's around $400 in a profit right there from $1,900, 20%. Ethereum, again, 15%. And again, it depends what your money you're putting in. I didn't put crazy money into these bots. I will slowly start to scale into them over the next few months. And I hope to have a 100 or 200K bot, I guess, portfolio or bot. 200K worth of bots running eventually is my goal. I'm slowly scaling into them, not doing anything crazy. And again, initial investment on all the bots right here is like 5.6K, and on the TradeFi bots about 1.6K. So again, nothing crazy. However, I'm just wanting this money to just do a little bit for me when the markets are not doing anything. So you can go ahead to copymybots.io if you do want to go ahead and use that function. I do want to talk about this, guys, because the Bitcoin exchange reserves on all exchanges is in fact dropping, and it's dropping at an alarming rate. Could this potentially be a supply shock incoming? Well, this is what I posted over on my X last night at about 1 a.m. Pretty late, I know, but I was looking at the chart, so why not? And again, we can see right here, it's super low. It's not been this low right now since about 2021. We can see right exactly there. It's not been that low since 2021. So what does this mean if there's a Bitcoin being withdrawn from exchanges? Well, what that means is basically Bitcoin is becoming more scarce day by day. People are not willing to sell their Bitcoin. People are moving their Bitcoin, buying it on the exchange, moving it onto cold wallets or cold storage or whatever it is, and then holding onto their Bitcoin. This is a good sign, guys. Also, I want to update you about the liquidation heat map. If you're still watching the video and you haven't dropped a like, I really would appreciate it. It takes probably 3 seconds to drop the like, and it really does mean the world to me. And also comment down below. It's your chance to win $100. You might win, you might not, who knows? But a comment also takes about 3 seconds, so 6 seconds of time, and you can have a comment and a like and potentially win $100. So it's worth it in my eyes. We can see right here, towards the upside, yes, there was some liquidations. some of the liquidations did in fact get eaten, and of course they have been replaced because people are degens. They love to trade. So we can see right here around 122 million at $79,600, and again, even down here there is a lot around 140 million at 78k. So in my opinion, if we go back up to about 79k, that's when we're going to start to see these liquidations pulling out and getting liquidated. And again, 80k, it will pretty much totally erase those. But again, I think we're in this some form of a rising wedge right here. And again, I am short-term bearish for Bitcoin. If we go up, if I lose my $300,000 trade, it's okay. I will open another one. It will be painful. Yes, I know. But sometimes in life, you need to experience pain to experience growth. So I will open another one. It's fine. If I can catch the local top and short down to around 46 to 52k, my bear market target, I will be very, very happy indeed. Looking at the lower side, we have quite a lot here at around 73k stacked to the main ones here at about 70k. There's probably a couple of 100 million down here at 70k. So again, as I said in previous videos, I think we will be trading in between this range for quite some time right now. I don't know why that arrow is there, but it shouldn't be there. So again, I think we're going to be trading between this 80k range right here and this 70k range exactly right here. We are probably going to be trading within this range for the next, I would say, at least month or so, in my opinion. And if you have made it this far and you haven't seen my bear market price target, well, I am going to show you exactly right now, because I want to show pretty much every video exactly my price target. Because if we take a look at this right here, this chart, this brings the 200, the 250, the 300, and the 350 moving average onto the chart. I think exactly in this range, we are going to see some form of a bear market bottom right there. Yes, we are pumping right here. However, I've said in my videos that I strongly believe it's a trap. Don't get trapped by it. I may be wrong and we could make a load of money and push back up here. I would be okay with that. I would be completely okay with being wrong and we all make a lot of money. That is completely fine. However, I want you to be on the cautious side, because this area right here could be trapping people to get them liquidated until we go right down here to this area right there. So keep that in mind, guys. It could be dangerous. Again, we have right here 46k. We have up here around 60k. In my opinion, somewhere between 46k to around 52k in this exact zone right there. That's where I think we're going to be bottoming this bull market. So do with that information what you want. Consult a financial advisor. Send him my video. Let me know what he thinks of it. Probably not the best idea, but hey, if you did want to do that, that's fine. And don't forget to go ahead and follow me over on socials, Twitter, Instagram, everything at CryptoJack. And I'll keep you updated about my trade. Maybe I will be underwater. You'll see the lights go off in my office, and yeah, it will be a bad day. But maybe it won't. Maybe I'll catch the local top, and I'll be absolutely super happy with that. You can do all the technical analysis in the world, and Trump can post one tweet and it's all irrelevant. That's the thing about trading crypto and trading in this political situation. It can be very risky, guys. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. All the links are down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.